The management of Westwood High School in Trelawney is this evening refuting claims that the school has defied orders by the Health Ministry to shut down the school. Two parents have also claimed that the school has denied them access to see their children when they visit.
A parent who did not wish to be identified said her child, who now boards at the school, complained that living conditions there are unsuitable and that the Health Ministry has ordered sections of the school closed. The parent said she got the information a few Sundays ago.
I was told by my daughter and other girls that the hostel where they would normally get their meal, it was ordered closed. They would get their supper and their breakfast there. It was ordered closed by sanitary inspector. The place where they would do their dining, that part is closed. And about 4 or 5 classrooms at the schools were ordered closed.
So we did ask the chairman of the schools board about the allegations made by the parent, and he refuted the claims. But he did say that the Ministry of Health ordered that the area that they now use to feed the students be closed because of a leak.
Because we don't have a full-scale kitchen, we're operating a secondary kitchen. And that secondary kitchen, when the Health Ministry came, they found that there were some issues that needed to be repaired. So they asked us to close the kitchen and do the repairs on the section, which we are working on as we speak.
One of the big challenges Westwood High School is having is that since the fire in May 2017, they've got very little help to rebuild and recoup. Efforts to rebuild the school's dining area since last year's fire have been slow. The chairman says that's partly because the original building plan designed by the school was shelved by the Ministry of Education. Westwood is still awaiting funds promised by the ministry to help with the rebuilding.
The school board had a particular direction that they wanted to take the repairs, and that was not to put back the kitchen in the original position, but to move it to a new area. The ministry thought that it was best to go back to repairing the old area based on the funds that they were going to allocate.
So the ministry has sent them back to the drawing board, and the construction work on the building is expected to start in December and should last for 9 months. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.